What's up, guys? I'm the PigPigGamer. Welcome back to another YouTube video. Today, I am going to be showing you guys how to make a Minecraft mod for 1.12.2. Let me make sure. Yeah, it's recording. I'm going to be showing you how to make a Minecraft mod for 1.12.2. Now, I did 2 series on how to make a Minecraft mod. But the 1.10.2 one, I just decided to switch over to 1.12, and 1.12 I ran into a lot of errors.
No! It's giving me errors again! And this one is being annoying.
That were super stupid. I'm really sorry about that, for those of you who watched the episode 2 and episode 3. But this series is going to be improved. I'm going to write down all the codes exactly on my phone, so I don't screw up this time. If I do run into an error, I'll immediately pause OBS and then just like tell you, and I'll say, alright guys, there's an error, so it's not like the timestamp thing or whatever. So yeah, I'm gonna speed up, go on processes, and it's gonna be awesome. So of course we have to start off by setting up, and the first file is in the Proxies. So before we do all that, we of course need to set up everything. So the first thing we need to get is Java JDK. All the links will be in the description. Go over to this one and hit accept license agreement, and then you'll be able to go on these sounds. If you're 32-bit, get this one. If you're 64-bit, get this one. And then the installer will be on your desktop. Let me just go to my downloads here. And then you'll get this. Just open it up, install it. Don't like you don't have to like do it much. You just press like next and stuff like that. If there is the license agreement, then hit accept the license agreement. I already installed this, so I can't quite remember the setup. So once you're done with that, you want to install Java SE. This is JDK. Now we're installing actual Java so we can run Minecraft. Do not get this one because this one is tar.gz and you can't open that. So go to this one, the one that says exe. Again, 32-bit, go here. 64-bit, go here. For some reason, this one doesn't say offline, but it's the same thing. So do that. Pretty much the same thing as the other setup. And then once you've installed all those 2 Javas, you should have a Java folder, and in here JDK and JRE. So if you have those folders, then you're all set up with Java, so we can close out of these. Next, you want to download Eclipse. This is where we're going to be coding in. It's going to be a coding series, not a creator series. I might do that in the future, but for now we're doing coding because coding is pretty fun. It might be my future job. So yeah. So just click download. It will say like thank you for downloading. The Eclipse installer will come up below. And so here's the Eclipse store. When the installer comes up, there's like a little screen saying which one to choose. Choose the IDE for Java, and then you can pretty much just install it from there. And then you'll have Eclipse downloaded here. If it says like, do you want to launch this? Click X, and it's fine. It just like it tells you if you want to launch it or not. So yeah, so download. Don't need to change the download path for anything. Pretty much just like the Java one. So once you've installed Eclipse, it should be on your desktop if you create a little shortcut, and you're all set if you have this. So because of that, the final thing you need to download is Minecraft Forge, of course, because we're making a Minecraft mod. Now, I haven't actually downloaded this yet because it's not like an installer, you just have to download it. So, go to the recommended. So there's recommended means this is gonna be not that many bugs. Latest means it's the latest. But I'm gonna go for this one because this one won't have as many bugs. I'm assuming so. Down recommended. This is a build 14.23.4.2705. Click MDK. And then I'll come up with this. Do not click this. This is probably like a virus. Don't click this. You need to go over here and click the skip button, and then your download will come. Oh wait, I actually have already downloaded this. Okay, never mind. Okay, so I guess we have 2 of these now. That's okay. Yeah. So let's just do this one. This is where this is gonna be the little fun part. So click on your desktop, new folder, and we're just gonna name this tutorial mod. So this is where our mod is. This is our mod right here. And then what we want to do is we just want to Control A and put that in the tutorial mod folder. And also put Eclipse in there, just because. So, yeah, we have Eclipse, we have all this, actually, no, I'm gonna put this back on the desktop. Alright, guys, I'm back. My mom came in. I might cut that out, I'm not sure. Anyways, so, I'm actually gonna just copy this and paste it in there. So, yeah, so 2 shortcuts. That's a little weird. Yeah, so, put Eclipse in there. And then, before we do, shift, and then, like, open command window here, or open PowerShell, it seems like, but that's, well, actually, no, it's not, like, okay. So, before we open CMD, the reason why we installed JDK is because, regular Java was because, like, so we could run Minecraft, because, as you may know, Minecraft requires Java. But JDK is so that, like, you can, like, mod and stuff. So, what we're gonna do is we're gonna, go to this PC. No, do not reset the PC. If you somehow type that, do not restart the PC, or reset. So, go here, program files, Java, JDK, and then bin, and you're gonna want to copy this, and then click and then type in advanced view advanced system settings. Go to environment variables. Now, please be very, very careful for this next step. If you mess this up, your computer is not gonna function well, and I don't want that. So, and you don't want that either. So please follow this very, very carefully if you don't want your computer to be screwed up. Okay, so you're in your environment variables. You have to be very careful. So go to this thing that says path right here and click edit. Now, you have all these here. Do not edit any of these. You just gotta click new and paste that in there. I already have it pasted in there, so I'm not gonna do that again. And then just click it again to make sure it's in there. So there you go, Java bin. And then create a new called Java home. And then all you need to do is just do the same exact thing, the exact like URL thing, but without the bin. So just do it like that, and that's it for that. So please be very careful with that step. So after that, press OK, and now we're good. So now we can open CMD, and let me just pull up the things here. So what we need to do is we use CD, and we need to go to our little I could have just opened it there, but whatever. Tutorial mod thing. My Discord, I swear, I'm gonna close out of this. Sorry, that was a little bit annoying. We're gonna go to here, and then just copy this. Copy this, desktop tutorial mod. You don't need to copy any of the other stuff, just do that. And, actually, wait a second. I think we need to, put this, oh my gosh, my dog. Lucky, stop barking. We need to do, modding 1.12. And then we put the tutorial mod in there. Alright, there we go. So this, so desktop modding 1.12 tutorial mod. Copy that. Just paste it in. And then, this is, I'll be right back. Alright guys, I'm back, and I cannot believe what I did wrong. So, I read wrong the tutorial and put another thing. No, do not put that. Just put CD space and then that. I thought this was the problem. I was gonna change it back, but I decided not to just cause, and plus it looks pretty cool. So do that and then, what? Okay, never mind. Alright guys, I am back again, and I finally legit fixed the error. It was because I didn't include this thing, OneDrive, so if you have that, make sure to copy the OneDrive part. And then what you need to put is, gradlew setupDecompWorkspace. So basically what this is going to do is it's going to set up the decomp workspace, gradlew, it's going to do all that. This one is gonna definitely take a while. I might do this, but don't worry, it will eventually finish. It's gonna unzip, do all this stuff. and I'll see you guys when this is done. Alright guys, I am back. You can tell the time changed because I had to go somewhere, but that's okay. As you can see, it says build successful, only took 3 minutes. That's because I'm on a new computer, so everything's gonna be faster. So yeah, now that one's done, there's one more you need to do, and that is gradlew eclipse. So what this is gonna do is it's gonna say that you're using Eclipse to code, and it's gonna like let it be compatible with it. MC 1.12. This one should definitely will take shorter because it's like less stuff it has to do. But still, I mean, it's still gonna take a little bit. I mean, look, it's still only on 14%, but yeah, it's gonna download all this stuff at Eclipse class path. I was gonna, oh my gosh, yeah, see, I was gonna press the down arrow, which is the key to stop recording OBS. Let me, speaking of OBS, okay, it's recording. Like when I press down, it stops the recording. I was gonna do that, but as you can see, look, it only took 26.104 seconds to build successful. If it doesn't say build successful, then you either did something wrong for your Java thing, like put in the path, or I don't know, but well, after that, you just press X, and you'll have all these new folders here with Gradle settings, have all these files, class path. This is gonna help you with your mod, Eclipse, and all that stuff. And now, we actually run Eclipse, so we're gonna run it. It doesn't really matter, we're just gonna run it here because it's a shortcut. So yeah, then, I've never used Eclipse on this laptop, so this is good, because, yeah. So, it will come up with this if you've used Eclipse, for the first time, if this is your first time using it. So, what you need to do is you need to click Browse Workspace, you need to go to your modding folder, your tutorial folder, and then Eclipse, and then press OK. You can check this if you want, I'm not going to check it, and then press Launch, and then, Eclipse will launch up. And, here you go. So, you've got your MDK example, source main Java, common example, all this stuff. Your example mod.java. Alright, so now, normally in my modding series, this would be the end of like this episode, but we're gonna also include the proxies and stuff. So you can delete this because we're gonna create our own package. So press OK, and then in here you want to create a new package. And we're gonna name this com dot, and then your Minecraft username, or maybe username, but I would recommend Minecraft username, and then we'll do tutorial mod, just like that. So click finish. Here's our new package, com.thepigpiggamer.tutorial mod. And now in here we're gonna create a new. Wait, before we do that, click this little thing here called View Menu. Go to Package Presentation and click here Arquiol. This is gonna be easier to like understand and stuff. So click this. Make sure it's on higher. I don't know how to say that. And it is. All right, now we can do so. New class, and this class is just gonna be called main. So click finish on that, and here is our main class. So in our main class, we're gonna put something right here. So we're gonna put @mod, and then we're gonna leave it as that for now. Import mod from Net Minecraft Forge mod. It's still gonna give us an error because we haven't made our little references yet. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna make a new package, and this one is gonna be util. So click finish on that. This is our util package, and then in here we are going to make a new class and call it reference. So click finish on that, and here is our reference class. So what we're gonna put in this is this is where we're gonna put our little strings and stuff. So we're gonna put public static final string mod ID equals, and then we're gonna put T. So your mod, so it's gonna be first letter of your mod and then the last thing, and then put a semicolon there, and then it will turn to blue. And so you basically just copy and paste this did I even copy? I don't think I did. So just copy and paste this, and this time it's gonna be name, and the name is gonna be tutorial mod, and I should still not have any errors. And then it's gonna be version. So basically what we're doing here is we're giving our mod mod ID, name, version, and this is gonna be 1.12.2. Make sure to put these little things here so it knows like that's the version. I should still have no errors. Wait a second. No, this is the wrong thing to put. This is for a different one. So this one is the version of your mod, not the Minecraft version. So obviously right now we're gonna put 1.0, but in the future, or when your mod's like actually like a mod, if you update it, you need to change this. But I don't think I'm gonna release this mod to the public, but I might still show you how to like do that. So yeah, so version 1.0. And then we need to put another one. I know it's a lot of strings. So this one is going to be accepted version. So this one is going to be the accepted versions for your mod. And so for what you want to put in this one is the version that you like forages. So we'll put 1.12.2 in there. Make sure you see square brackets. And then the next one is one we don't actually really have a class for yet, but we're still going to put this. So this one's going to be client proxy class. And we can just leave this like blank for now because we don't have the client proxy class yet. And then what we're going to do is just going to copy and paste this here and rename it to common. So this is going to be the location of our client proxy class and common proxy class. Hit Control S here to save that, and also hit Control S here. Of course, it's an error because we haven't done the things yet. But we're gonna do that now. So, in our little app mod thing, we're gonna put mod ID equals reference dot mod ID. So as you can see, we have all this stuff here because we put other things in the reference. So we're gonna put mod ID. And then we're going to put a comma. And the name equals, and you can see where we're going with this. So reference dot name, comma. And then we're going to do version equals reference dot version. And that's pretty much all you have to do for that. Hit Control S on that, and now there is absolutely no errors at all. So, yeah, as you can see, all of it is blue now because we put it in this reference thing, the string mod ID equals TM. Now we have reference dot, and we can do all that good stuff. But, however, we still haven't done the proxy stuff yet. So, what we're going to do is we're going to create a new package, and this one is going to be called Proxies. This is where our proxy classes are going to be. And my dog has just came in. Hey, Lucky. Anyways, so what we're gonna put in here is a new class called client proxy. And the reason why we're doing all these like proxies stuff, this is to like help like add stuff, like what I said, like we need to like know what the mod ID is, name, version, stuff like that. And like right here we're putting main. So yeah, so. In a client proxy, we don't really need to do much in here. All we have to do is we just have to put extends common proxy. And then, of course, it's going to give us an error because we haven't made a new class yet. So we're going to, new class, and this one's going to be common proxy. So common proxy is like that, and then we should be able to, yeah, there we go. So just save on that. Let me just make sure everything's saved here. All right. So, in our common proxy class, we just put nothing in here, yeah, we don't actually put anything in here, because we put extends common proxy, and, yeah, so we don't really need to do anything in here. But what we do need to do is, remember these, yeah, now we can actually, fill these in. So we need to do com.the PigPigGamer.tutorialMod.proxy. And then the name of your class, and case sensitive, so client proxy, just like that, and we can just copy that in here, and instead we put common proxy. So now this is all set. We don't really need to mess with this anymore, and yeah. Alright, so now we need to go back to our main class. And what we need to do is we need to put a little instance thing here. Let me charge my phone real quick. Alright, so what you type is at instance public static main instance, and then put a semicolon there, and then you hover over this import instance, and after that should be no errors. Then what we're gonna do is we're gonna put at sided proxy client side equals, and then this is why we put it in the reference dot. Oh yeah, so so it's not gonna come up because we haven't like quite finished. I don't know why actually, but I'm pretty sure it's has to do with like the next thing we're gonna type. So don't worry, this is completely normal. This should happen. So just type it in yourself, and then basically the same thing, server side, and make sure the S inside is uppercase, or else it won't work. So reference dot common proxy class, and then below it you need to put public static common proxy, just like that. And what you need to do is just import common proxy from our little package, and then side proxy, import side proxy, and look, now they have turned blue. So yeah, so that might be it, actually. Let me take a look. Oh, no, we still have a couple more things to do, but don't worry, we're almost done. So, what we need to do is we need to put our event handler. So, event handler, I can't even spell handler. So, event handler, and then I think we need to import this. Oh, no, it's because we haven't done the full thing yet. So, public static void pre-init FML pre, so this is gonna like initialize everything. So initialization. Oh yeah, yeah, it's a hard word to spell. Event, and then we need to import FML pre initialization event, and then you can just put this here, and I'll put that there. And then all we need to do is use the copy and paste this a few more times. So, for this one, you just put init, but the init needs to be lowercase. So, FML initialization event. Did I spell it? Oh, yeah, right, I have to import this. Yeah, don't forget the imports. And then, I'm actually going to make this more spaced out so it's a little bit cleaner. There we go. Alright, and then this one, you have to put post in it. And post initialization event, and then you need to import that. And then import event handler, and boom. So now we have no errors. I'm pretty sure that is actually the last thing we need to do. So just click Control S on that, make sure everything's saved. Yeah, guys, that's actually it. So obviously we're gonna run Minecraft to see if this works. It should be fine because we have no errors, so nothing should go wrong. So, yeah, so as you can see, I figured out everything. There was, like, one minor error in this episode. That was just the CMD thing, but everything else, like, I all figured out. So, yeah, so, I'm definitely looking forward to the rest of the series at this rate, because, like, if I like, type it like I did in my notes app, like, where everything is, then, this series, has some good potential. I said series, so, like, Hey Siri came up. Anyway, so, Minecraft should be open, 5 mods loaded, tutorial mod, now, mcmod.info, we should probably do that real quick. So we're gonna quit game. So, mod ID is, basically what you have in your reference thing, so that's why we did that. So, just put tutorial mod, and then the name is tutorial mod. So this is basically like all the info of your mod, like when you go to the mods menu and click the mod. A tutorial mod for YouTube. And then the version is 1.0. The MC version is 1.12.2. You don't need to put the square brackets. URL, I'm pretty sure, yeah, it's like a URL to your Minecraft forums page and stuff. Update URL, you don't need to mess around with that stuff. And the author, we're gonna do the PigPigGamer. And then credits, shout out to my fans. Love ya. And then that's all you need to do. Don't worry about this. That's because he closed down Minecraft. So now let's relaunch it. Oh yay! All right, I just figured it out. It's because I didn't save this. Yeah, again, that's why you save, guys. So, yeah. So now everything should be all this stuff should be in here. So yeah, again, I feel like this series will have much more potential than the other two. So yeah, so the next episode we're going to be adding our first item in our first block, and then I believe after that we're going to set up creative tabs. So let's go to mods, tutorial mod, ask your mod author to prevent. Well, it does say the version here. It's probably because there's some errors, but that doesn't really matter too much, the MC mod info thing. Let's just create a new world called I Love Mods. Or actually, I should call it modding. Modding. And we'll do creative, super flat. 2012 Olympics. That's a really good seed if you will like villages. Create new world. Here we go. It's gonna load our world. So as you can see, nothing's going wrong here. So yeah. So why am I in Alex? I just pressed F5 and nothing happened. Okay. So all right, there we go. So as you can see, I'm in Alex. I keep pressing shift because I'm playing too much Fortnite. Oh, yay. So we're in Alex. I don't really like Alex too much, but whatever. It's okay. I keep pressing shift. Okay, there we go. So, yeah, so... Holy crap, this is, like, really smooth. What's my FPS at? Can I check that? No, I don't think I checked my FPS. Anyway, so, yeah, as you can see, everything's running perfectly fine. Nothing's going wrong. The pigs aren't glitchy, which is good. Hey, piggies. Hey, piggles. I'm sorry. I don't look like you. I'm just a little Alex. Again, playing too much Fortnite. Yeah, if you don't know, you press shift to run Fortnite. Just keep pressing shift. Anyway, so, yeah, guys, that concludes, episode 1 to our Minecraft modding series. If you are looking forward to the rest of the series, as I'm pretty sure this will have a lot of potential to be one of the greatest series on my channel, then do be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and turn on post notifications so you don't miss a new video or stream for me, because I do stream. So yeah, so do be sure to visit those streams and turn on post notifications so you get notified when the next episode comes. I'm thinking of doing these daily, but probably not when school comes again. So yeah, so next episode is going to be adding our first item, then we're going to add blocks, and then creative tabs, maybe after that crafting recipes. We'll see where the series will go from there, but I know that we're going to be adding items and blocks for the next 2 episodes, yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching this video. Leave a like if you thought it was helpful, subscribe, and turn on post notifications. Make sure also follow me on Twitter and Google Plus and all those other social media sites in the description below, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace!